Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking the absolute greatest business comeback in modern history.
So, how exactly do you save a massive company that's literally months away from going totally bankrupt?
Steve Jobs' journey was pure drama, from his bitter 85 exit to his shocking 97 return. He stepped back into a total nightmare, plummeting sales, massive losses, and totally confusing product lives. Taking that temporary interim CEO title, Jobs faced the ultimate, high-stakes mission to rescue his own creation. His boldest move? He ruthlessly slashed 70% of Apple's entire product line overnight. Just gone. He knew they didn't need more stuff. His new core philosophy was just pure focus and simplicity. But hey, philosophy doesn't pay the bills. They desperately needed a $150 million lifeline. The crazy twist? That cash came from Microsoft. Jobs knew survival trumped corporate pride every single time. With Apple breathing again, he ditched those boring beige boxes for the super friendly, colorful iMac. Beyond hardware, he totally rebuilt their culture. Think differently, obsess over details, and simplify absolutely everything. Every single decision from then on asked one question: how do we make the customer experience better? That relentless focus sparked a wild, rapid-fire chain of breakthroughs that quite literally changed the world. From the iPod transforming music to the iPhone reinventing smartphones, they completely conquered global markets. The result was a meteoric rise from absolute financial disaster to Earth's most valuable company. So the crucial takeaway here: real success comes from doing fewer things, but doing them exceptionally well. Which leaves us with this. What is the one thing you need to radically simplify today?